axolotl, Mexico's mystical creature. Deep in Mexico's ancient waters, a mystical creature lurks. With a smile that'll captivate your heart, meet the axolotl. This feathery friend is no ordinary salamander. Axolotls can regrow limbs, eyes, and even parts of their brain. Talk about a superpower. They're also expert hide-and-seekers, blending into the shadows with their camouflage skill. As carnivores, they keep insect populations in check. And with their ability to regenerate, scientists study them to develop human regenerative medicine. Unfortunately, axolotls face extinction due to habitat loss, pollution, and overcollection. Let's join forces to protect these Mexican marvels and preserve their mystical waters. Join the Wildwise journey and uncover more fascinating creatures. Subscribe for wildlife wonders, conservation insights, and a dash of fun. Don't forget to follow for more.